Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can upload an image on your Wix site. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Right here in the center of your screen, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be here in your dashboard. So once in the dashboard, go to the left side of your screen and then you're going to find all of these sections. Here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. So go ahead and click on edit site and then you're going to be redirected to this page or this tab right here. So just wait for this page to load. This is basically going to be the editor for Wix. Once loaded, this is how it will look like. So basically guys, right here, you're going to find all of the tools that will help you to customize and design your site. So right now, in order to add an image, it's pretty simple. Just go here to the left, click on the plus icon right here to add an element. And then here, as you can see guys, you're going to find a lot of elements that you can add. You can add a text element, image, button, strip, decorative, and so on. So go to image, and then here you're going to find upload and import. Click on it, and then here you're going to find the option to upload images. Click on this little arrow right here, and then you can upload your image right here. You can either click on upload from computer and select the image you want to upload, or you can just drag it directly right here in order to upload it. Once you finish, if you want to add it to your page, click on add to page and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.